Good morning to children. Now we are going to the profit to profit percent problem. Seema, complete the following table. Complete the following table with appropriate entries. Complete the following table with appropriate entries wherever possible. See first problem. See cost, price, expenses, SP, profit, loss, profit percent, loss percent. Ma. First problem see cost price 750 rupees, expenses 50 rupees. Okay, find the SP. SP means selling price. Okay, and profit percent. Profit given, profit percent find. CP means cost price plus expenses. CP means cost price plus expenses. First find the SP. Okay, we know that formulas. See my here. Profit equal SP minus CP. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Loss equal CP minus SP. Cost price minus selling price. Okay. Cost price minus selling price. Next. Profit percent equal profit by CP into 100. Profit percent equal profit by cost price into 100. Loss percent equal loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. Okay, here used these four problems. Okay, first problem Seema, cost price 750 rupees plus expenses. Okay, CP equal to 750 plus 50 equal to 800. Okay, 750 plus 50 equal to 800 and profit given. Profit equal to 80 rupees. Profit equal to 80 rupees. First find the SP value. SP equal to, see my profit equal to SP minus CP. Okay. Find the SP equal to profit plus CP. Profit plus CP. CP plus profit. CP how much ma? 800. 800 plus profit 80 equal to 880 rupees. SP value 880 rupees. 880 rupees. Okay, next to find the profit percent. Profit percent equal, we know that formulas. Profit by CP into 100. Profit how much? 80 by CP 800 into 100. Profit percent equal to 80 by 800 into 100. Okay, 2 zeros cancel. 8 ones, 8 tens. Equal to 10%. Profit percent how much ma? 10%. Here asking SP value and profit percent. SP 880 rupees and profit 10%. Okay, first one this one. Second one see cost price 4500, expenses 500 given. Okay, here loss given ma, 1000 loss given. Find the SP value and loss percent. Okay, second one CP equal to 4500 plus 500. 4500 plus 500 equal to 5000. CP value 5000 and loss equal 1000 rupees. Loss equal to 1000 rupees. Find the SP value. SP equal to, see my loss equal CP minus SP. Loss equal to CP minus SP. Here asking SP value. SP equal to CP minus loss. CP minus loss. CP value 5000. 5000 minus loss 1000 equal to 5000 minus 1000 4000. Now find SP value 4000 ma. Next loss percent asking. Loss percent equal loss by CP into 100. Loss how much? 1000. 1000 by CP value 5000 into 100. 3 zeros cancel. 5 ones, 5 20s equal to 20%. Okay, selling price of 4000, loss percent to 20%. Selling price 4000, loss percent 20%. Okay, next third one see cost price, expenses and SP given ma. Find the profit and profit percent. Find the profit and profit percent. Third one, CP equal 46,000 plus 4,000. 46,000 plus 4,000 equal to 50,000. 46,000 plus 4,000 equal to 50,000. And SP value, selling price is given 60,000. 60,000. Find the profit. Profit equal SP minus CP. Profit equal SP minus CP. SP value 60,000. 60,000 minus 50,000 equal to 10,000. Profit value 10,000 mark. And find the profit percent. Profit percent equal profit by CP into 100. Profit 10,000 by CP 50,000 into 100. Profit percent. Profit by CP into 100. 10,000 by 50,000 into 100. 4 zeros, 4 zeros cancel. 5 ones, 5 20s. Equal to 20%. Profit 10,000 and profit percent 20%. Profit 10,000 and profit percent 20%. Okay, understood? Third one, this one. Next, fourth one, cost price or expenses given. Find the SP, selling price, profit. Okay. Fourth one, CP equal 300 plus 50. 300 plus 50 equal to 400. 300 into 50, 300 plus 50 equal to 350. Next, profit percent given ma. Profit percent. Profit percent equal to 12%. Profit percent equal to 12%. We know that formula profit percent equal profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. We want a profit value. Profit equal profit percent into CP by 100. Profit percent. See my here CP division. Transposing RHS to LHS multiplication. Here multiplication. Transposing RHS to LHS division. Profit percent 12 into CP value 350 by 100 equal to 0, 0 cancel. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 6, 6 7s are 42. Profit to 42 rupees ma. Profit to 42 rupees and asking profit and SP also. Now SP equal to profit, SP equal to CP plus profit. CP plus profit. CP value 350 plus profit 42 equal to 392 rupees. 392 rupees. Okay. SP 392 rupees and profit 42 rupees. 42 rupees. Okay. Next, last one see. Fifth one, cost price and fifth one see ma. Cost price equal to 330 plus 20. 330 plus 20 equal to 350. 330 plus 20 equal to 350. And last percent given. Last percent equal 10%. Last percent equal to 10%. We know that last percent equal last by CP into 100. Last by CP into 100. We want last. Last equal last percent into CP by 100. Last percent how much given ma? 10. 10 into CP 350 by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel equal to 35 rupees. Last 35 rupees came ma. And remaining find SP value. SP equal to last equal CP minus SP. SP equal to CP minus last. CP minus last. CP value 350 rupees. 350 minus last 35 rupees. Last 35 rupees equal to 315 rupees. Okay, last 35 rupees, SP 315 rupees. Last 35 rupees. Okay, understood this problem? Now we are going to the next problem. 10th problem, Seema. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain. At 12% gain. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain, and Ibrahim sold it to John at loss of 5%. And Ibrahim sold it to John at loss of 5%. If John paid 1,330 rupees, John paid 1,330 rupees, then find how much did Gopi sold it to. Once again, listen ma. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain. Okay, Gopi sold watch Ibrahim at 12% gain, and Ibrahim sold it to John at loss of 5%. If John paid 1,330 rupees, then find how much did Gopi sold it to. Okay, Seema here. Cost price of John equal to selling price of Ibrahim. Okay, how much ma? 1,330 rupees. And last percent 5% given. And next cost price of Ibrahim equal to selling price of Gopi. Okay, listen carefully. Solution. Cost price of John equal selling price of Ibrahim. Okay, cost price of John equal selling price of Ibrahim. Selling price of Ibrahim 1,330 rupees. 1,330 rupees. Here loss or gain ma? Loss. So loss percent equal 5%. Loss percent equal to 5%. Next, cost price of Ibrahim equal to selling price of Gopi. Why? Because here John at loss of 5%. If John paid 1,330 rupees. Okay, equal to cost price of Ibrahim equal to selling price of Gopi. Selling price of Gopi equal to cost price of Ibrahim equal selling price of Gopi. Formula CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Okay, CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. SP how much ma? Selling price of Ibrahim. Here find cost price of Ibrahim. That's why CP equal to SP 1,330 into 100 by 100 minus last percent to 5 given minus 5 equal 1,330 into 100 by 95. Okay, 95. See ma here. 5 table. 5 2s are 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are 45. 19 7s 0. Equal to 70 into 20. 1400 rupees. Cost price of Ibrahim equal 1400 rupees and selling price of Gopi equal to 1400 rupees. Okay ma? 11th problem, Seema. Madhu and Kavita purchased a new house for 3,20,000 rupees. Madhu and Kavita purchased a new house for 3,20,000 rupees. Due to some economic problems, they sold the house for 2,80,000 rupees. Due to some economic problems, sold the house for 2,80,000 rupees. find loss incurred. Find loss incurred, the loss percentage. Okay, CP of new house given ma. Cost price of a new house equal to 3,20,000 rupees. 3,20,000 rupees and selling price of a new house. Selling price of a new house equal to 2,80,000 rupees. 2,80,000 rupees. Okay. CP more than SP means loss. Now loss equal CP minus SP. CP value 3,20,000 minus SP value 2,80,000 equal to 3,20,000 minus 2,80,000, 40,000 rupees. Loss 40,000 rupees. Next, loss percentage. Loss percentage equal to formula loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100 equal to loss 40,000. Loss 40,000 by CP value 3,20,000. 3,20,000 into 100. 40,000 by 3,20,000 into 100. 4 zeros cancel ma. 4 ones 4 eights. Again fourth table. 4 twos 4 25 100 equal to 25 by 2. 25 by 2. 25 by 2 means 12 1 by 2%. 12 1 by 2%. Last percentage 12 1 by 2%. Okay ma, today's enough. Thank you.